Jaymor, oh. From Philippine Embassy, oh. Ang mukha ng bagong Pilipinas. What?
Ito model ng bigas.
Oh my God! Wow! What's up guys? Another day pero hindi another rice dahil for today's video attend tayo ng ating UAP Oman Chapter 9 Induction and 2nd GMM for the fiscal year 2005-2006. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako.
Dito.
Nalate tayo kanina kasi akala namin doon sa isang intercity. President Architect Charisse de Leon.
You are charged with the duties of seriously and resolutely furthering the objectives of the United Architects of the Philippines, the integrated and accredited professional organization.
Sige po, pakiulit, DP.
Picture ng Exicom.
And let us honor our UAP national leaders headed by... Kailangan ko talaga paghirapan ang lahat ng bagay.
Ikaw pala ang tatay ng bagong
Ang mukha ng bagong Pilipinas.
Ibida mo si ano.
No? Si Architect.
Ito model ng bigas.
Model ng bigas. Jaymor, oh. From Philippine Embassy, oh. Yun guys, tapos na po ang ating seminar at see you sa next video.